To book British Airways with AW Miles. Start by understanding the American Airlines loyalty program and its partnership with British Airways. As a member of the A Advantage program, you can redeem your miles on British Airways flights. First, log into your A Advantage account on the American Airlines website to check your mileage balance. Then, visit the British Airways website to search for flights and check availability. Keep in mind that British Airways is known for imposing high fees on award tickets, so it is essential to factor these costs into your redemption. To book a British Airways flight with AW Miles, go to the American Airlines website and click on the Book with Miles tab. Select your travel dates and destination, and choose British Airways as your airline. The website will display available flights, and you can choose the one that suits your needs. When booking, be aware of the different award charts and redemption rates. The number of miles required for a British Airways flight will depend on the route, travel dates, and class of service. For example, a one-way economy ticket from New York to London may require 20,000 miles, while a business class ticket on the same route may require 50,000 miles. Once you have selected your flight, review the award ticket details, including the mileage required, taxes, and fees. If you are satisfied with the booking, confirm your reservation and pay any applicable taxes and fees. It is crucial to be flexible when booking British Airways flights with AW Miles, as award availability can be limited. Consider traveling during off-peak seasons or on less popular routes to increase your chances of finding available seats. Additionally, be mindful of British Airways peak and off-peak pricing, as this can impact the number of miles required for your ticket. By following these steps and being aware of the factors that affect award availability and pricing, you can successfully book British Airways flights using your AW Miles. Remember to always check the American Airlines website for the most up-to-date information on award charts and redemption rates, and to plan ahead to maximize the value of your miles.